What are you doing, Zachary? Are you refusing to go to sleep? Are you trying to break your crib? Hang on, buddy. I don't think it's going to break. I know you're trying very hard, but it's time to sleep, sweetie. It's time to sleep. Can Mommy put you down now? Let's put you down. Let's see what happens. Ready? Time for sleep. Time for sleep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2.5, 1. Oh. Okay, maybe a little bit more than 5 seconds, but clearly that didn't take very long at all. It is after 9 p.m. Zachary's supposed to be fast asleep. This is the latest development in Zach's world.